Hey YouTubers, my name is Sai, and just like all the other millions of people stuck at home, I've decided to set up my own YouTube channel. This has been something I wanted to do for a while now, but I never had the courage to actually be in the limelight on the screen. So what's changed, you may ask? I guess part of it has to go down to my wife, as she's inspired me by having her own Instagram channel. I guess this is where I should probably tell you to go and follow her, and if you're vegetarian, flexitarian, or just want some inspiration for tasty meals, head over to Instagram and search for veggie_journeys. But apart from her, I've also come to a point in my life where I hope I can provide some value to other people. So let me give you a little background information about me.
Now this is a story all about how my life got flipped, turned upside down.
Well, for one, I grew up with the Fresh Prince, but there on repeat. But I always had a little entrepreneurial bone in my body. Back in school, I used to use my dad's macro card, which was kind of like Costco, to buy chocolates at a wholesale price and then sell them on to other kids at school out of my locker. This eventually became pretty successful, so much so I had to start renting lockers from other kids, just so I can hold my stock. The only problem was that the growth and progression then led to the failure of the business. I got a message saying the head of year wanted to have a word with me. When I went to see him, he said I had to stop this business because it's actually illegal. Now, for most kids, that was enough to scare them. But for me, it wasn't until he went on to say that he's going to call my parents. That's when I actually got scared and decided it's time to shut shop. Now, on to the next business venture. Time to feel like an old man again. Back in those days, video streaming like Netflix and music streaming like Spotify was not even invented yet. And there were programs thanks to my friend Justin Timberlake.
Well, I founded an internet company that let folks download and share music for free.
Kind of like Napster?
Exactly like Napster.
What do you mean?
I founded Napster.
So using programs like Napster and LimeWire, along with my trusty CD burner and the full colour LaserJet printer I had at home thanks to my dad working in IT, I started hijacking the telephone line from my mum and began downloading movies and music using our dial-up internet with my brother. We would then copy the original artwork and then sell the copies to other kids. This obviously didn't turn into a multi-million-pound idea due to the fact that, once again, I realised I was running an illegal business. On to the next business venture now. I don't know if you know about this company called eBay. Well, again, back then, it was just about becoming recognised as the new online shop where anyone can buy and sell products. So I eventually realised I could buy items at a cut price and sell it for more to people who were interested. However, I ended up getting a little bit greedy. I'll give you a second to just guess what could have happened. That's right. I ended up doing something illegal again. I found a way to get counterfeit products from the Middle East and sold them online for a profit. This subsequently resulted in my eBay account getting blocked. By now, I thought it might be best to stop pursuing illegal business ventures, so I decided to follow a righteous path and try to become a dentist. That didn't go very far, and eventually I ended up continuing with a career in IT. This then led me into starting up and running my own business. You may know a little well-known statistic where 9 out of 10 startup businesses are destined to fail. Betting on the wrong side of the cloud, monetizing on storage, I ended up falling into that 90% of businesses that fail. This put me into a pretty low point in life, feeling like I was down in the gutters with a failed business and in a lot of debt. But I knew I had to pick myself up and start again. So after a little bit of self-retrospection, I started to feel like I was one of the 10% of startups because of everything I had learned while running my business. As I had to be the one-man band learning everything from accounting to sales to marketing, I felt that I could use a lot of these skills to work my way up in the corporate world. This then led me into the career path of tech consulting. I knew that I would have to start from the bottom and work my way up. So within a pretty short period, I managed to double my salary, not once, but twice. So in the last few years, I started searching for the Holy Grail.
Records show that for 500 years, a cup, thought to be the Holy Grail,
I meant a metaphor. So for me, the Holy Grail was a business that can generate passive income. So I dabbled in a bit of affiliate marketing, dropshipping, and probably any other online business which can be started up as a side hustle. Now, all of these ideas either didn't make me any money or consumed way too much time in order for me to make it successful. I mean, if you guys have tried any other side hustle, leave a comment below and I'd love to know what else is out there. But then, late last year, one venture actually started making me money. The stock market.
For work, what do you do?
I'm a stockbroker.
Stockbroker? And how much money you make?
I don't know, 70,000 last month.
Seriously, how much money you make?
I told you, 70,000. Well, technically 72,000 last month, something like that.
You made 72 grand in 1 month.
Yeah.
I tell you what. You show me a pay stub for $72,000 on it, I quit my job right now and I work for you. Hey, Paulie, what's up? No, everything's fine. Hey, listen, I quit.
Now, I didn't make that much money. I didn't go and quit my job as I was nowhere near to becoming the next Warren Buffett. I was only testing the market with a little bit of cash I had saved up, but it was as though I had found the Holy Grail because I started to get free money. Now, with the amount I had invested, it was nowhere near enough to generate a passive income, but I started to get small payouts through dividends. And on top of that, most of my stocks were in the green and my portfolio had increased 25% in value over a very short period. Now, thanks to the coronavirus pandemic, which led to the stock market crash, my portfolio has depreciated a lot. However, whatever goes down must go... No, wait. It's the other way around. But what I'm trying to say is that the market is going to go back up. Now, some people say the market has already started to correct itself and the market has started going up already. But a lot of people are also saying that the market's still going to have another fall. Either way, from my research, I feel like it's a great time to jump on this stock market bandwagon. I feel this is because the market crash has provided some great dividend stocks that can be bought at a discounted rate, which can result in becoming a great source of income for retirement. Also, there are some great tools and information out there that can help novices like myself make some educated chances on the market moving forward. Now, I'm not claiming to be a financial or investment guru, but I thought in order to help myself stay motivated with the changes in the market, I could document my journey, and hopefully the videos I create can also help some of the people watching my channel. So while I try to document my investing journey, I thought I'll post up videos about my market findings each week, but also every now and then I could part some knowledge I have learned over the years on ways you could tweak existing businesses to generate more sales. And I'm a little bit of a tech geek, so maybe even create some videos or tutorials on certain software I like using. I hope this video has given you a little insight into my life and my plans for my YouTube channel. If you enjoyed it, or even if you didn't, I feel like I should encourage you to hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. And don't forget to like, share and leave a comment. See you again soon.